Student, today we will discuss about the inverse Laplace transformation. First, by using partial fraction. Second, by using convolution theorem. The example of first type partial fraction. The question is find the Laplace transform. Find the inverse Laplace transformation for the following function. The first is 2s plus 3 upon s plus 4 s plus 5. Second, 5 upon s square plus 4 s square plus 6, and third is s upon s square plus 6 and s square plus 5. D is 2s plus 5 upon में s square plus 4s plus 5. The solution is, first question is solution. A question is 2s plus 3 upon s plus 4 s plus 5, written as a upon s plus 4 plus b upon s plus 5. This term is multiplication by both sides, this denominator to multiply both sides, then we get multiplication by s plus 4 s plus 5, and we get 2s plus 3 equal to a s plus 5 plus b s plus 4, and find the value of s. The factor equate equal to 0, then we get the solution s is equal to minus 4 and s is equal to minus 5. These terms equate 0 and find the value of s. The first factor we get the value of s is equal to minus 4, and the second factor we get the value of s equal to minus 5. Putting s is equal to minus 4 in putting both sides, then we get 2 minus 4 plus 3 a minus 4 plus 5 b minus 4 plus 4, then minus 8 plus 3 a plus 0, a equal to minus 5, and putting s is equal to minus 5, then we get minus 2 into 5 plus 3 equal to a minus 5 plus 5 plus b minus 5 plus 4. तो माइनस का 10 plus 3 0 minus b equal to 7. Then the term equal to a upon s plus 4 plus b upon s plus 5. So 2s plus 3 upon s plus 4 s plus 5 equal to minus का 5 upon s plus 4 plus b equal to 7 upon s plus 5. By using the formula Laplace of e की power at equal to 1 upon s minus a, then e की power at equal to inverse Laplace of s minus a. Taking inverse Laplace in both sides, we get Laplace inverse 2s plus 3 upon s plus 4 s plus 5 equal to minus का 5 Laplace inverse of 1 upon s minus का 4 plus 7 1 upon s minus का 5. Then using the formula Laplace inverse 1 upon s minus a equal to e की power at, then by comparison between these formula and this term, then a equal to minus 4, so minus 4 e की power minus का 4t, and then a equal to minus 5, so 7 e की power minus का 5t. This is the solution of this questions. The inverse of the 2s upon 2s plus 3 upon s plus 4 into s plus 5 equal to minus 5 e की power minus 4t plus 7 e की power minus 5t. Again, to solve the next problem, 5 upon s square plus 4 s square plus 6. So first of all, then the power of s e equal to each term. So then the factor is 5 is common, then 1 upon s square plus 4 minus 1 upon s square plus 6. Then we get solve. But this term this side and this term this side. So then we get, this is rough work. So then s square plus 6 minus का s square minus 4, then s 6 2, that we get a 2. So then divided by 2. This multiplication is this. So this condition is equal to this. Taking Laplace, taking inverse Laplace both sides. So then we get the solution. Laplace inverse 5 upon s square plus 4 s square plus 6 equal to 5 upon 2 Laplace inverse 1 upon s square plus 2 का square minus 1 upon s square plus root 6 का square. Using the formula Laplace of sin inverse a t equal to a upon s square plus a square, then the sin a t equal to a Laplace inverse 1 upon s square plus a square. So a is divided by this, so sin at upon a equal to Laplace inverse 1 upon s square plus a square. A comparison between this formula to this condition, then we get 5 upon 2 a equal to 2, so sin 2t upon 2 minus a equal to root 6 sin root 6t upon root 6. This is the solution of question number 2nd. And solve the next problem. S upon s square plus 6 s square plus 5, where using s is common, then 1 upon s square plus 6 minus 1 upon s square plus 5. Then similar to solve this condition to this, s square plus 5 minus s square minus 6, this multiplication by this, so we get s square plus 5, and this multiplication by this, then we get s square cancel, then minus 1 divided by minus 1, then minus 1 multiplication by this, s equal to 1 upon s square plus 5 minus 1 upon s square plus 6, multiplication by s, so s square plus 5 minus s square plus 6, taking inverse Laplace in both sides, so we get Laplace inverse s upon s square plus 6 s square plus 5 equal to Laplace inverse s upon s square plus 5 root 5 का स्क्वायर प्लस माइनस s अपॉन s स्क्वायर प्लस रूट 6 का स्क्वायर, यूजिंग द फॉर्मूला Laplace of cos at equal to s upon s square plus a square. So then cos at equal to Laplace inverse s upon s square plus a square. The comparison between this formula to this condition, then we get cos root 5t minus cos root 6t. This is the solution of this problem. And next problem that we solve 2s plus 5 upon s square plus 4s plus 5. Then factorization the equation, but the denominator cannot be factorized. Then what happened? We make the perfect square in two terms. So 2s plus 5 upon s square plus 4s. This terms half square adding and half square subtracting. This term s coefficient terms to make a half and squaring the digit. 4 is half is 2, squaring 2 square minus 2 square plus 5. This is the balance. Then this is make a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to a plus b का whole square. Then 2s plus 5 upon s plus 2 का whole square. Then solve plus 1. Then s plus 2, we find s plus 2. So all s are connected by plus 2. So this is not connected by plus 2, so then we 2s plus 4 plus 1 upon s plus 2 square plus 1 square. Then 2 is taken common, 2 plus 2 plus 1 divided by separately s plus 2 का whole square plus 1 square upon s plus 2 का whole square plus 1 square. Then by using first shifting property, yeah, shifting property, then any element to subtract या adding to s, eliminate and write is plus 2 is the minus 2t. 2 is constant, then 2 is Laplace inverse of s upon s square plus 1 का square. Again is subtract, eliminate the 2, then e की power minus का 2t. तो Laplace inverse of 1 upon s square plus 1 का square. Then e की power minus 2t is taking common 2. This is the cos t and this is the sin t. This is the solution of all 4 problems. This and this all types of problem then solve. Thank you.